We guide you through how to borrow money from PayPal quickly and safely. First thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account on the app or website and navigate to the PayPal credit or loan section. If eligible, you'll see an option to request a loan or apply for PayPal credit. Enter the amount you want to borrow and review the repayment terms, interest rates, and any fees. Once you confirm your request, PayPal will perform a quick eligibility check and notify you if your loan is approved. If approved, the funds will be deposited directly into your PayPal account, allowing you to use them for online purchases, sending money, or transferring to your linked bank account. Make sure to keep track of your repayment schedule to avoid late fees, and you can manage your loan easily from the PayPal app or website.